Hey, what's up, bio guys? Mr. Adamucci here. Uh, Happy Global Pandemic Day. As you can see, I got my lovely beard going on. It's been a long time since I've seen you in person, and it's been weird. Hopefully, you're hanging in there, doing what you can. It's a rainy Monday day right now, and I am giving you your lesson for this week as we continue on with cells. Um, I am sad to hear that we are not coming back this year. I wanted to see you guys, and we're have to do it like this for now. When you come back your junior year, please come back and say hi as we get through this. Couple of important announcements. The quarter three grades are in. We are starting a brand new quarter. That means we are going back to 0 out of 0, okay, which is an opportunity for you to start over and also an opportunity for you to know that you got to start going online. You got to start doing your stuff, or else you're going to be just like regular school. You're going to be getting F's if you're not doing your work. So make sure you do your work and you'll be just fine. And this is good practice for you if you ever want to do online classes in college, because online is really important. It's been around for a while. So I'll get right into it of what we're doing. We're going into cells, okay? And there's a couple things that we got to look at. First off, what you're going to be doing this week is you're going to be doing a gizmo. As you know, this looks kind of familiar to you. All right, you will go on the website Explore Learning. Your password may have already be remembered on your computer. If it's not, let me know. I have your password if you need it. Okay. But remember, we have our animal cells, which have no cell wall, just a cell membrane with the nucleus, and all the organelles inside, which do different things within the cell. You're going to be learning those. We'll probably have a review sheet later this week. Next week, we'll probably look at some sort of Canvas quiz, and I'll go into that next week. Then you also have plant cells. And this is what all living things are made up of, cells. We're trillions and trillions of cells. The human body is a trillions of cells. And plant cells are no different, except they have a cell wall. Okay? So this can help you answer some of the questions. Prior knowledge questions, you're not doing any of the gizmo. You're just giving of what you think is going on. What are some structures inside the cell that help it live to perform its role? And how do you think plant cells differ from animal cells? Then you get into the actual gizmo. Follow the instructions. They allow you to look at an animal and plant cell under the microscope. The animal cell, you're going to click sample. So when you go to your gizmo, it looks something like this. You're going to click sample, and it's going to take a pinprick of that guy's finger, and it puts it on the microscope for you. You can move the microscope up and down to get a look at it. When you click on something, it will show you the different, or you click on the drop down, it'll tell you about the cytoplasm and the different things. This will help you answer the questions, lysosome, so forth. And you can answer all the questions just from doing that. When you want to go to plant cell, you click on the plant cell one. And again, you take a sample. Notice the plant cell looks a little different. It's got more green to it because of the chloroplasts, which do photosynthesis, okay? And you can then open it up and click on the different things for the plant cell. That will help you answer the questions. So read the descriptions of centrioles. What is their function? You will, of course, click on centrioles and go from there and look at it, okay? You will then match them, looking at the different things and match them. And then you'll go into plant cells and put in the correct words that go in each of them, okay? So I will have this on Canvas for you. This will be due on Thursday. I repeat, this will be due on Thursday, all right? So make sure me and Miss Liana will be available Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for help. Look for that study guide to come out Thursday for you, okay? We usually do about 2 or 3 assignments a week. That's it. So make sure you get it done, okay? This is Mr. Adamucci with his awful looking hair and needs to shave. Don't be like me. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. I'm going to shower. I'm going to get outside. I've been fishing. Fishing's been really good. It's been nice to get out, but I do miss people. Make sure you social distance. Prayers for your family and that you're doing well during this time as we get through this disaster. And we'll get through it. I went through 9/11. We've been through a lot of disasters, and we're going to get through this one. And it's going to take us coming together. So we're here for you guys if you need us. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.